Hi, my name is Matt. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I show you how to change your wheel rotation in Logitech Momo Racing. So let's start. At first, we need a disclaimer. In this video, I show you how to change physically wheel rotation, not software. Because when you change rotation in all construction of wheel, the wheel in software always have got 214 degrees rotation. So this is a little disclaimer. At first, we need to disable all steering wheel. So let's start. And now this is little disclaimer to my Polish viewers. Tak więc jak widzicie, mam tutaj kierownicę Logitech Momo Racing. W tym filmie po prostu chcę wam pokazać krok po kroku, co należy zrobić, aby całość tej kierownicy była oczywiście z 240 stopni na 900 stopni. I tu właśnie cały film będzie po angielsku nagrany, ponieważ ze względu na to, żeby ten film doszedł do największej liczby widowni. I chcę to zrobić, ponieważ jeżeli pokażę to większej liczbie osób, to one będą widzieć. Bo wszystkie filmy na YouTube to są od Rusków, no sama prawda, no. Ja oczywiście jakoś do nich optymizmem jakim nie napawiam, ale no cóż. Ale ze względu na to, że ja jako dobry YouTuber chcę pokazać wszystkim dookoła jak to zrobić, więc tak będzie zrobione. Może dodam pisy, jeżeli będzie mi się chciało to robić, to roboty będzie sporo. Zobaczymy jak to będzie, po prostu ja przychodzę do rozebrania kierownicy, więc zaczynajmy.
So let's start with disable all steering wheel. So let's start. After unscrewing, we need to cut some pieces from this plastic. And of course, I show this in link below. And we need to change this limiter for new and 3D print this. And we need, of course, print new and color. So let's start. After printing, we need to mount this in our steering column. But these elements doesn't fit well, so we need to manually fit them. Of course, I use some electro tools. So I screw that in one piece, and I show you how to pieces you need to cut. Of course, there are some pieces in plastic. This is not much for this plastic, and this works, of course. So what you need to cut, I'll show you. These pieces you need to cut. You can stop video and cut in your plastic piece. And you see this works. So I free printed the new encoder, and this is all because I tried to modify this using candle, but it doesn't work pretty bad. So after that, we need to calibrate steering wheel, and that is a disclaimer. I free printed the new encoder wheel because my 3D printer can do that, so I pre-printed this and installed in my steering wheel. So let's calibrate it. In my case, calibrating the steering wheel is pretty easy. We need to first center this wheel. So of course we make one right side or left side. In my case is left side, and we making 19-degree steering right. And after that we need to plug the force feedback and plug the USB cable into the PC. So steering wheel is now calibrated. We can steer one side and second side.
and you see it works pretty cool. So now I'm gonna test the same wheel in 2 games. So I'll show you how it works. The first game is my solo car. So let's drive. And the last game, Airtrack Simulator 2. So let's start. And this is how it works. I'm thinking you are very interested with this video. I'll show you how to make this mod, how to calibrate this. I think this mod is pretty good. Of course, if you have got a free printer. I think I help you. And now, thanks for watching. Of course, got any question, I write for your question. So I think it's the end. So thanks for watching. See you later.